Two online selling giants. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, eBay, the global marketplace that gives you instant exposure. And on the right, Shopify, your platform for building a brand and an empire from scratch. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we jump in, here's how I'm stacking these two giants against each other. We're going to look at pricing and fees, design and customization options, scalability and growth potential, ease of use, marketing and SEO, payment and checkout, and finally, security and support. Yep, that's a pretty full plate. So imagine a mind map with all those categories. Let's go in order. All right, first up, pricing and fees. So with eBay, honestly, I love how the monthly starting fee is pretty low, and it's got that pay-per-sale thing going. Sounds cheap at first, but hold on, here's the catch. eBay throws on extra fees everywhere, like listing fees, final value fees. And yeah, if you're selling in volume, those add up fast. Now jump over to Shopify. It's upfront, one monthly fee, and oh, this is sweet, minimal extras, unlimited listings, even if you're on the starter plan. Only thing is, that upfront cost is higher than eBay's. But for most businesses, you're saving hassle and avoiding nickel and dime stuff. Winner here, not even close, Shopify. Next, design and customization. So eBay's like, here's a template, good luck. You get a quick setup, but there's no real chance to make your store look unique or even feel like your brand, you know? Switching gears to Shopify, man, this is where it shines. You get full design control. There are like 135 modern templates to pick from, and it actually feels like building your own store instead of just renting a stall at a digital flea market. The only thing though, it takes a little elbow grease to get everything set up how you like, but honestly, worth it. Hands down, Shopify's got the edge here. Let's talk scalability and growth. With eBay, you're plugged straight into a global audience. Super cool for instant exposure. Quick to set up too, but meh, you're totally stuck inside the eBay world, and wow, competition is fierce. Shopify though, is a beast for growth. There's this insane app store with over 7,000 extensions. You can sell across social media, in person, literally tons of channels. And it's built to grow as you grow. Yeah, you'll have to work to bring in your own audience at first, but for scaling your business over the long haul, Shopify for the win. The difference is pretty clear. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know eBay actually started out as Auction Web back in 1995? And Shopify was born from a guy just trying to sell snowboards online. I mean, how wild is that? Both platforms have totally different DNA, and that kind of makes this comparison even more interesting, right? Let's move on to ease of use. eBay knocks it out with how crazy easy it is to just sign up and start selling. No website, no fuss. Like, you could list something during your lunch break. Downside, you're kind of at the mercy of eBay's brand, not your own. Now, Shopify. It's pretty user-friendly too, but there's just more steps. Building your site takes a bit longer. So if you want straight-up speed, eBay's the champ in this round. Next, marketing and SEO. eBay, yeah, they've got some SEO baked in, and you can pay to promote your listings, but honestly, you're basically swimming in the same pool with 1,000 other sellers. Marketing feels kind of limited, not gonna lie. Now, Shopify, this is where you really feel the difference. You get built-in email marketing, tons of social media integrations, advanced SEO tools, even thousands of marketing apps. Okay, sure, you gotta hustle to bring in buyers since you're not instantly on a global marketplace. But the flexibility and power here, it's a total game changer. Shopify easily wins this one. All right, payment and checkout. On eBay, payments are managed for you, but options are pretty locked down. Not much freedom for buyers. Quick, clean, but also kind of rigid. Shopify's wild. It supports over 100 payment gateways. You can customize the entire checkout process. Like, you want Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit cards, you name it, Shopify's got it. More setup, sure, but really, the flexibility blows eBay out of the water. Shopify pulls ahead yet again here. Last but not least, security and support. eBay offers solid protection for buyers and sellers. Plus, if something goes wrong, they've got dispute tools. Downside, less control over your shop's security settings. Shopify, though, is top tier with security. They're obsessive about it. Plus, you get actual 24/7 live support via chat, phone, email, whatever you need. Honestly, neither disappoints in this round. So I'm calling this one a tie. Okay, let's recap with a quick bird's eye view. If you mapped out all the categories, Shopify sweeps most of them. Pricing, design, growth, marketing, payment. eBay feels speedy and dead simple to get going, but starts lagging behind once you want more control or brand power. Security and support, that's about the only place they're neck and neck. So here's my honest take. If you want your own brand, plan to build something long-term and actually scale up, Shopify is definitely your go-to. It's got way more control, all the tools for growth, and yeah, It's just more pro. But if you need quick access to millions of buyers, maybe want to test the waters, or just flip some stuff fast, eBay's awesome for that. Takes little effort and you reach the world in minutes. Want maximum reach though? Seriously, tons of sellers use both at the same time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.